Welcome aboard the Star Princess. In this video, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous inside stateroom here on the ship, take a tour and show you everything that this room has to offer. If you're new here, my name is Alanna. I do videos all about cruising, cruise vlogs, and even cruise live streams, and so much more. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, it's just after 1 o'clock. Our rooms are ready. Our room is P224, Plaza Deck 5. Let's go inside and take a look. Our suitcases are here as well. So whoa, this is different already. What? Cool. Alright, let's take a look here. So walking right on in, we have like a walk-in closet. This is neat. So plenty of hangers and spaces for us to hang our clothes and put stuff on the floor over here. The bathroom. Let's take a look inside. All right, so there is a bit of a step up. We'll show you here. And in the shower here, we have shampoo, conditioner, 2-in-1, and a shower gel. We'll take a look over here, some countertop space with the shelves over here and some shelf space over here. Also, there's some shelving up here with our life jackets and room up there as well. We have a nice full-length mirror right here as well. Very cool. And then walking right on in, it feels like we're walking into a separate bedroom. I love that feel. That is so stinking cool. So here we are. We have our nightstand on the one side here. Score! USB port right by the bed. Oh, that is fantastic. Our light switch is over there. And a little nightstand for you. Walk around to the other side. Let's see. I believe this one has one as well. Indeed it does. That's super awesome. Nice little mirror in here. Some artwork. Move around and we have our desk and vanity. Some drawers over here. Let's see. We have some open space right here. I bet you there's a hairdryer in here somewhere. Get a little bit organized. We have our tour information, which we haven't signed up for yet. We have other information. Looks like we already have a message waiting for us, maybe a little welcome message. And in here we have a refrigerator. How cool is that? We are good to go. And the last thing, oh, there's our hairdryer up here, posted up against the wall. And here is a big TV. This TV is actually really big. Wow. So this is a gorgeous room. Love the vibe. Looks great. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. And until next time, ciao for now.